Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Fascinating Facts channel. Today, we will be discussing about the greatest engineering marvels in the past few centuries. For millennia, mankind has been building impressive engineering marvels, including the Great Wall of China and the pyramids of Egypt. Until now, engineers are still undertaking massive communication, building and transportation projects to continue pushing the boundaries of achievements. Here is a roundup of historical engineering marvels that you should know. The Panama Canal was constructed to link the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans. The 51-mile canal was opened in 1914 and brought a major change in the global trade. In 1904, the United States restarted the construction of the Panama Canal project. Instead of building a sea-level canal, the chief engineer John Stevens designed a series of locks. This construction design created the largest man-made lake at the time with the damming of the Chagres River. Workers struggled against various tropical diseases, including yellow fever and malaria, as they carved a path through the mountainous terrain and jungle. About 10% of the 56,000 workers died in this project. Today, we already have a complex network of undersea fiber optic cables. However, the transatlantic cable project was the first of its kind. The project was started in 1854, when the American merchant ship, Cyrus Westfield, laid a long line of telegraph cable on the floor of the Atlantic Ocean. With the assistance of the British and American naval ships, the project was finally completed in 1858. In her inaugural message, Queen Victoria sends 98 words to President James Buchanan, which took 16 hours to complete. Another line was laid in 1866, which significantly improved the communication between North America and Europe. After seeing the Autobahn network in Germany during World War II, President Dwight D. Eisenhower initiated the Federal Aid Highway Act in 1956, which was the biggest public project at the time. The ambitious project involved the construction of 41,000 miles of highways with underpasses and overpasses. Without any intersection, the interstate highway system allows high-speed and unobstructed traffic. Other than for accelerating the economic growth, the highway system is part of the national defense and it was designed for quick evacuations for the possible nuclear attacks during Cold War. Constructed by more than 21,000 workers, the Hoover Dam is the largest concrete structure in the world. And at the time, it was the highest dam. With 4 excavated tunnels, the Hoover Dam is able to divert the Colorado River. Finished 2 years ahead of the planned schedule, the dam provides hydroelectric power for 1 million homes and irrigates 2 million acres of farmland. Located at the arid terrain of Arizona and Nevada, it is the source of drinking water for millions of people. The Hoover Dam accelerated the development of Phoenix and Las Vegas. It also created Lake Mead, the biggest water reservoir in the United States. After 6 years of construction, the Channel Tunnel was opened in 1994. It is connecting the European continent with Great Britain, which is the first time since the Ice Age. Also called as the Channel, it is consisted of 3 concrete tubes. The 31-mile tunnel was constructed with massive 1,100-ton tunnel boring construction equipment. The Channel Tunnel allows the transportation of vehicles and passenger, with 23 miles underwater and 8 miles above the surface. The high-speed Eurostar train service allows passengers to travel from Paris to London in little more than 2 hours. The Statue of Liberty is the symbol of friendship between the United States and France. Dedicated in 1886, the 151-feet statue was designed by the French sculptor, Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi. The whole statue was shipped to the New York City in more than 200 crates. Workers pieced together the Statue of Liberty over a period of 4 months and it was mounted on a large pedestal. The inner steel structure was engineered by Alexander Gustave Eiffel and Eugene Emmanuel. Because parts of the Netherlands are below sea level, it is necessary to build dams, storm surge barriers and a system of floodgates. This helps in claiming vast swathes of land and preventing flooding from the shallow North Sea inlet, called the Zuiderzee. Started in 1927, the Netherlands North Sea Protection Works is one of the wonders of modern engineering. It took 5 years to build a 19-mile-long dike to enclose the Zuiderzee. This was followed by decades of reclamation projects to make more land usable for housing and farming. Started from 1954, there was a massive project to control the flow of water from the Meuse and Rhine rivers. Thank you for watching our video. We will continue uploading more videos very soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, write a comment and click the notification bell button. See you soon.